Lava in Natthagi Valley will go to ocean or will not go. So let's study the situation. We have the lava already flowing to Natthagi Valley for several days now. This is the map that is showing the north toward the right. I mark it with an arrow so you can see. The flow of the lava is from the volcano, and the fissure eruptions is toward the Natthagi Valley, slightly toward the northwest. Then it forms a fan at the base of the valley when it reaches there. There it can have a solidified valley built by its own cooled lava, and then build up toward the up valley, upward toward the valley top parts, and build a pond there, gradually build up the lava. Or it can solidify in the south, north part, create a barrier on its own by solid lava, then flow toward the end of the valley and exit from there. That's the options that we have. Whichever option it does, it will stay in the Natthagi, and it may, in one case, spill over to the ocean, which is not more than 2 kilometers away. At the moment, what we can see in the field, and I will just study the albedo features here to tell you the shape of the terrain, which way is already going. Okay, I'll brighten up the image and I will do the outline of it. It looks to me is gradually going southward. We will see in a few days' time which direction is certain.